Fell in love with changing lives and chose that over a sport. Could have been anything in life, and yet I'm out here on tour. Like someday we gon' get bored and we gon' want more. Pretty much prepping myself.
Against the odds, against the wind.
You know what?
And in the rain. I'm gonna find a different way.
Man above, take care of me, don't worry about it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Shazam.
Woo! That's a good ride right here. It's 3:30. We got 60 miles to the beach. It's all downhill from here. This is the longest stretch of downhill I've ever rode. This is just phenomenal. Absolutely wonderful. All right, let's get back going. Rolling right through Santa Clarita pretty quick. If I see someone looks like they got some bud, I'm gonna stop and ask them for one. That's the only thing I don't got right now is a little bud. I'll keep riding though, I feel good. About 5 o'clock. It's gonna be dark soon. I don't know where we're going. I'm just gonna keep riding, I guess. It's about 50 miles to the beach from here, downhill. It's a pretty populated area, so there's a lot of places to stop along the way, and I'm just gonna take my time, mosey along. Freaking chain just popped off and went on the back side of the sprocket right there. I had to build up a sweat, get my hands all dirty and get it out, but I got it out. Nothing broke, thank God. All right, let's keep pushing. This looks like a mighty fine place to stop and get our bearings straight. It's only 5:30, but it's dark out here. 80 miles. We made it 80 miles already today. That's a good run. With all this stuff, 80 miles? That's a real good run. I think I'm gonna take a little 20-minute break, sit here for a minute, and probably get back on the road, I guess. It's 45 miles downhill to Ventura. I don't know. Sounds good to me. We'll see. I just decided to pull up the weather. Starting at about 4 o'clock in the morning, Ventura says 70% rain. Then it goes up to 90% at 8 a.m. And then every other day is even worse. 90%, 100%, 80%, 100%, 5 days in a row. Maybe we better just go ahead and get there right now while it's not raining. If it's gonna be raining for a week, I guess we better just do it right now. 45 miles downhill to Ventura to the beach. It's dark out here, but I think we'll be all right. So let's go ahead and get ready. All right, it's 7 o'clock. I'm about to go down the mountain. Someone just hooked me up with some bud. I'm pretty stoned.
Hey, how y'all doing, Michael?
Michael, he's an awesome guy.
Baby and Loki.
Baby and Loki. You're the man, Michael. We must have made it about 10 miles down the road. I found a couple bushes to pull over and sleep behind. I think it might rain at about 4 or 5 in the morning, but I think I got everything ready. It's gonna have to be it. The closer we get to Ventura, harder it's gonna be to find a place to camp. So I was gonna make this work. We might be up early in the morning packing things up, trying to stay dry, but that's why we carry all this gear. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be just fine. January 14th, it's about 5 o'clock in the morning. I set my alarm for 4 o'clock. I never heard it. I don't know if it went off or not, but I figured it was gonna be raining this morning. It's dry right now. It's about 5, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack it all up and make sure it stays that way. Check it out, 5:17. 5 o'clock in the morning, we got it all packed. I don't think that's ever happened before. There's a gas station about 4 miles down the road. I think we're gonna head there. Let's put on some rain pants just in case, and let's start riding. Oh, buddy, it's getting wet out there. You know, this is a good outfit because I'm completely dry, 100%. Good old intuition did it again, didn't it? Got maximum amount of rest and minimum amount of moisture. Got it all packed up, started pouring down right away. Made it 5 miles down the road, 4, 6 o'clock in the morning. Haven't even had coffee yet. It's gonna be a productive day. You know, I'm not super excited about this, but I am glad to know what these boots can and cannot handle. They can handle weather down to about 10 degrees in the snow comfortably. They can handle a little bit of rain. They can handle heavy rain, but they cannot handle torrential downpour or monsoon type rains riding 20 miles an hour on a bicycle. They cannot, because unfortunately my feet are wet. So I'm gonna put on some dry socks and slip some bags over my socks, and then I think that'll probably help. I think that'll keep them dry for the rest of the day. It was pouring. It was coming down crazy. We made it about another 7 miles. Not too bad. It's starting to lighten up a little bit right now, but it was coming down. You know what? Everything is dry except for my feet. Pants work great, jacket's great, even these gloves. Yesterday coming down that mountain, I lost another pair, but I just so happened to get these mittens. If that weigh and pay, they are waterproof. They work, my hands are dry. Not bad at all. All right, so it's only 25 miles to the beach. So we're gonna keep moseying on. I don't know what time it is. It's probably about 7:30 right now. Well, I'm gonna change my socks though. Nice. They got some thick bags too. This is gonna work great. Look at that, you can hardly even tell I got my hobo socks on. Sure hope this works. My last pair of freshies. All right. Yeah, everything else totally dry though. Feeling good. That was a great test. This jacket and these pants, fabulous. Torrential downpour, no problem. It was flooded out there in a lot of areas. It's lightening up pretty good now with the rain and the sun. You can see a lot better, and nowhere near as much rain as it was 20 minutes ago. Okay, I'm feeling good. It's heavily populated around here, that's for sure. So there's a lot of laundromats, stuff like that. You know, if things get too bad, we can stop and fix things. We got a few dollars left, it's not a big deal. But for now, I'm just gonna keep riding, keep it going.